raw emotion, dedication, resilience, prayer, focus are just some of the elements that make a creative. Always had a fascination of film and TV ever since I was a kid, but I didn't know how I was going to be able to break into the industry. I come from a bloodline where we don't believe in the word quit. It was never in our vocabulary. Through a series of events growing up, anger management, 10 years of depression, I've watched family members either they used drugs or they dealt drugs. I actually had a cousin who was 12 years old when she had her first kid. Friends were murdered, and I took all that raw emotion and pain, and I was able to channel it through this beautiful canvas called art. Art gave me my voice. Art allowed me to speak from the heart. It allowed me to grow in my songwriting, in my spoken word, in monologues and acting and dance and choreography and much, much more. Now I have the power to give back to the youth and also to young adults this same gift. My name is Ranye Hawkins. I'm the founder of Paint with Words Incorporated right here in Orlando, Florida. Thank you so much.